Alright, I know it's been a while, I'm sorry about that. I'll provide some more details about why in the description and my future plans, but today we're just going to do a super quick program that I recommend everybody have on their computer. It is incredibly useful, and it's only 2 lines of code. Even if you're brand new to programming, you'll be able to understand it. So we're going to write it in Python just so it's nice and simple. You can see I just have Atom open, which is basically a fancy text editor if you're not familiar with it. Then I just have a terminal open. You can see we have program.py here, and then I have the folder open where you can see program.py again. If you're less familiar with programming, this should make sense to you. Basically, it's just a file explorer. And now let's get into actually writing the code. So our first line is going to be import OS. The OS library in Python allows us to do a lot of different things, but what's most important here is running system commands. So as if we're typing a command into the terminal. Now, this will only work on Linux and on Mac OS. If you guys are interested, I'll make a tutorial for Windows as well. Our next line will be os.system. This allows us to actually run a command, and then we're going to pass it a string of the command that we want to run, which in this case is rm program.py. So rm, and then the name of the file. So save that, and you're done. Super easy, 2 lines, and I'll show you what it does. It's really, really cool. So right here you can see we have this Python file. Let's run the program. So python3 program.py. And look at that. We no longer have the Python file, and it just took 2 lines of code to delete the file. Yeah, so that was quite the video. For right now, just watch whatever image I'm going to put up or GIF. It doesn't matter. I just want to basically explain my rationale for all this and my future plans. So I made this video just to show the new phase of my channel that I want to move into. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to post too much recently just because I haven't had a lot of time. So I've been working on college applications because I'm currently a senior, and I've been really caught up in schoolwork. I'm taking definitely my most demanding year in my senior year, and it's just a lot of homework, a lot of studying, and I do have my extracurriculars as well. So I'm trying to do this when I actually have time, but I decided that I want to be really proud of what I actually create. So I do have a personality, contrary to what you may think if you've seen my past videos. I am a funny guy, in my opinion, and I think that's one of the selling points of me as a person, but I haven't been implementing that into my videos. So I'm making this to kind of give an introduction to my humor. I do have a bit of a stupid sense of humor, so sometimes I'm actually funny though. But I'm going to try and just put in a lot of work to each video. So I'm going to try and go for 1 or 2 videos a month, but really high quality stuff. So I'm not going to record it in just one day or edit it in one day. I'm going to spend some time on it. I'm going to make it more interesting, more humorous, and just give a better audience. I wasn't going to say I was waiting till I had a prime number of subscribers to actually make another video, but you know, I've passed so many prime numbers now. I think I'm currently at 37 subscribers, so that's pretty sweet. I hope 37 is a prime number. I'm not just making a fool of myself. All right, 37 is a prime number, so we're safe. But yeah, so that's the gist of it, and yeah, so give me any suggestions you have, and I'll be sure to look them over. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and be safe.